What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and weighing the PNW Range Stem. So let's get into it. So let's open it up. So I went with the PNW Stem for a few reasons. One being I already have it on my Polygon and I really like it. Two, running the PNW handlebars, so I thought it would be a good combo. Three, it has a GoPro mount, which is a really cool view to have. And then lastly, the color, thought it'd be really good on the stump jumper. But yeah, let's see how much it weighs. So this stem comes in at 164 grams. So again, not too worried about the weight here. Just wanted a really versatile stem and also go with my handlebars. There are probably some better options out there, but I didn't want to spend too much, and I wanted the GoPro mount as well. Definitely recommend PNW components. I use them on all my bikes actually. So yeah, that's going to conclude today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.